In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Framer. Whether you're new to Framer or just exploring its various features, understanding how to incorporate shapes can greatly enhance your design projects. So, let's dive in and take it step by step. First, we start on the Framer dashboard. If you're not already familiar with it, this is the central hub where all your design magic happens. It's where you organize, create, and preview your projects. To begin, navigate to your workspace. The workspace is essentially the canvas where you'll be doing your design work, so make sure you're comfortable with its layout and available tools before we proceed to the next step. Next, let's focus on the Insert feature. At the top of the workspace interface, you'll find the Insert menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Elements. Go ahead and select Elements, and this will lead you to a further subsection. Within this subsection, look for Icons. This step is crucial because it helps you find a variety of visual assets that can significantly enhance your design. Within the Icons section, all sorts of creative possibilities await. For today's purpose, we'll be selecting from Phosphor, a versatile icon library. The Phosphor library is renowned for its wide range of icons and shapes that can really elevate your design. Select Phosphor, and with that, you'll unlock a selection of shapes and icons perfect for any project you have in mind. Feel free to browse through and see which shapes resonate with your design concept. Once you've selected a shape from the library, you'll need to position it on your workspace. Simply drag and drop the chosen shape onto your canvas. This is an intuitive process, much like arranging pieces on a physical board. Now, the appearance of the shape may need adjustments to fit seamlessly into your project's narrative. To make these adjustments, direct your attention to the right side of the Framer interface, known as the Properties panel. In the Properties panel, click on the icon you've inserted. This will offer you various customization options. Here, you can select different shapes or modify the attributes of your chosen shape. The panel gives you control over size, color, and other essential properties. This is where you can really get creative and tailor each element to align perfectly with your vision. And there you have it, how to effortlessly add and customize shapes in Framer. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating visually appealing projects that stand out. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been both informative and inspiring. Happy designing!